So sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to set up and withdraw commissions earnings on TikTok affiliate. So once na mo na dito ang yung TikTok app, so dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Meta profile na makikita dito sa bottom right corner, i-click mo lang. So kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung TikTok Studio. And dito lang sa ating TikTok Studio, sa monetization programs, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung TikTok Shop for Creators, i-click mo lang. At dito lang sa ating TikTok Shop for Creators, under lang dito sa TikTok Shop Toolkit, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung earnings, i-click mo lang. So makikita mo na dito yung available earnings mo dito. So makikita mo lang dito yung withdraw balance button, so i-click mo lang. So dito lang sa kanyang withdrawal method, so may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like manual withdrawal or auto withdrawal. Pag ito naman sinelect mo yung manual withdrawal, so ibig sabihin yan ay pwede kang mag-withdraw dito araw-araw. Okay, so iselect lang natin dito yung manual withdrawal, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung save. Okay, so dito sa kanyang withdrawal method, so manual withdrawal, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung withdraw balance. So next, so makita mo na dito yung withdrawal account, add new withdrawal method, so itap mo lang. So dito na tayo sa add payment method, so choose a payment method. So may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select, like bank transfer or then yung GCash. Sa GCash, so funds should arrive in 1 business day, minimum withdrawal amount of 10 pesos, and then yung maximum withdrawal amount is 100,000 mga kaibigan. Kailangan mo lang itap dito yung GCash. And then enter verification code na masasend dito sa ating mobile number mga kaibigan. Ayan, so makita mo na dito na link GCash, and then enter lang natin dito yung registered na GCash number natin. And then once nilagay mo na dito yung registered na GCash number mo, dito naman sa ating name, kailangan mong ilagay din yung registered na GCash name mo. And then i-click mo lang dito yung submit. Dito lang sa amount, i-click mo lang, and then enter lang natin kung magkano yung i-withdraw natin dito sa ating available balance. Then estimated receiving amount is ito lang yung marireceive natin dahil mayroon po itong service fee, ay mayroon po siyang 5.60 pesos na bayad dito sa TikTok. Okay, kapag okay na, and then i-click mo lang dito yung withdraw now, at in-tap mo lang dito yung confirm to withdraw. Ayan, so withdrawal in progress, so funds should arrive in 1 business days. Ayan, so open natin dito yung GCash. Ayan, so makita mo na dito na you have received 94.40 from TikTok Shop.